So it's been a busy few days. I had a wedding. I was assisting for a wedding around Thursday, and Fridays I did shoot a video for someone. Saturday I did photo for my business, and then Sunday I also did a wedding under my business. Monday I got tired, sleepy, migraine. Yeah, it's been 4 days. Was it 4 days? Yeah, 4 days I was shooting straight, and then the next day which was Tuesday, I went to Flinders, Victoria, which is an hour and a half or an hour and 10 minutes drive from my home, and then I also did a maternity shoot. So today is like the Wednesday, my rest day. But the thing is, I have to have my car checked because I'm getting all the engine checks and everything. So yeah, it's been busy lately. It's a good thing because all the lockdown I was getting stressed in the house. I just wanted to go out, but everything's good right now. So yeah, I've been trying to update everything, back up everything. I'm in the garage right now working on it, but most of the things is done in the garage. Trying to catch up because the backlogs are piling in. It's not really backlogs. The works are piling in. It's a good thing, but you need to get it done. Okay, so yeah, that's my update. And I just realized that I was just trying to do a daily vlog, but I just realized I get tired, and it has been a lot lately. I also just got my car checked because there's some engine codes coming out, and it's out there. I have to wake up early today, 8 a.m. to get it checked, and then I was sleepy earlier. I was just sitting here watching some videos. I just had to relax myself, but I'm gonna try to edit later. Just want to check on you guys, how you going? I'm here shooting weddings, and everything's back, but it's still scary because COVID's still there. Just have to sanitize, make sure everything's clean and sanitized, clean. Yeah, but other than that, it's a good thing that everything's back to normal, at least new normal, I reckon. But we're still getting more weddings in the next few days, so I need to get myself updated and then get everything done, get everything edited, get everything packaged and everything. So it's gonna be hectic few days, but I enjoy hectic when it's shooting weddings and when it's going out, bringing my camera. So I hope you guys are also doing good right now, and hope you guys are doing fine. Wish you all the best, and stay safe. That's gonna be the quick video for today. I don't know if I'm gonna have anything other than this. I'll be adding it later today, maybe in the next video tomorrow. But nice to be back filming, talking to you guys right now. That's it. Good day.